Treat yourself to a bowl of feel-good almond butter cereal. You'll need a medium-sized mixing bowl, 1 large spoon, 1 heaping tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, 1 tablespoon of fresh root ginger, 2 to 3 clove buds, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, all ground. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup boiled water. Let's begin. Here I've mixed the clove buds and the flax seeds, the chia seeds, ginger, coconut cream, cinnamon, and salt to taste. Here I'll use the boiling water to help melt the almond butter while mixing the ingredients.